Yes, I think I almost forgot the purpose of our meeting. We are here to welcome the Director-General of UNESCO, Honorable His Excellency Miss Audrey Azoulay, who is the Director-General of UNESCO. I would like to forward because my neighbor name, our way, only one nuchu mo nu ojinse nu ya no ojogba twa ni o manya fi wo no enradon ihe pa mokumi no nuchu mo nu ofi omenene ojinse me achewo Ghana Book Development Council. They took the initiative to invite us to join hands with them to bid for the World Book Capital. And I cannot leave this rostrum without mentioning the indefatigable Miss Mrs. Azoulay, Auntie Anesthesia, very indefatigable. She really worked with us so hard to get the World Book Capital. Can we give her a round of applause? A very strong woman. Thank you very much, Auntie Anesthesia. If you're playing a corner.
You. I get Kaji onye kpano ni okuse oyako ye tomoni. Ina she mo fe mo ni ba adamu ni gan sani no ko ye de ya ka ya manche here follow. You don't go before the king without anything in your hands. So at this juncture we shall grant the opportunity we shall grant the opportunity for the UNESCO delegation to present their customary gifts to His Royal Majesty, the King of the Ghana State. You be amekedan eba you be UNESCO ke dan ke nongle eba Shimon. Oh, okay. Aka ga confita. Shimon ni machonye ni mayu agashi. Blofo meke no na meke ba fi aga ka kwena ye ho bi ene. E chonemi. Ichoni enye gbele hu ni eba. Ni wo be no na ke nchonhie na ke ba amane ene. Shimon choni eke mi ni bi efe iba ashe keje she abatu aha oniga ina she minto ni majie me fio kula nwachon agego ton wako ko yen panu no wako beje tomon lante janwe manche ni lante utanka the second it was satia ni lante fa no one flower akbane wo protocol head of protocol alomake PRO ke ha the Ghana Traditional Council ni abose asokroja ewo ye wasatia ke jobu we fe man kralo ni afutu afrakaja won flale you ina she aka ba yi jofi o the Noyam dance troupe going to dazzle us with some slide performance, then we continue. performance. Also quickly to acknowledge the presence of the Amasaman Mantse, Naa Adoley Oheyefio II. And also the Ajema Mantse, Midenche in Ajema Mantse, Naa Adoley Sana, you about you to say. At this juncture, something has brought us here, and it's reading. The World Book Capital has come to Accra. And in due course, we would grant the opportunity for the first female mayor of Accra, under whose tenure this momentous feat has been achieved, to come make that honors presentation to His Royal Majesty, the King of the Ghana State. Shihena she obacha oblayo fioko. Koneba kaneni fioko echwo. Shall we at this juncture put our hands together and welcome Peggy Ajimfra Dakon.
Your Royal Majesty and your ma'am, please, I'm here to read a short note of a storybook entitled A Girl Says No. I accepted the Lord into my life at a young age and got involved in church activities. I trusted the Lord for my need. When I was about to take my O-levels, I never gave up schooling. Part of the reason was to hurt my dad, but later I had a change of mind. Thinking this over, I knew I would be the loser in the long run, not him. Things were tough at that time. There was no money for anything, books, extra classes, etc. I felt like an orphan. I used to wonder what my father did with his money. One day, I swallowed my pride and asked Daddy for money to buy an additional master's book. You are always buying books, he said. Why don't you go to the library? Daddy, the book is not available in the library, I informed him. Then borrow from a friend. It is not obligatory to get even book that is on sale. But Daddy, they will. I tried, only to be shut down. When I was your age, I never bought books because my parents couldn't afford them. I fed on library books. You can do the same. There went him again. When I was your age, I was tired of hearing that phrase. How could he compare his time to the modern era? I held my tongue and left him. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kate Ajimfra Dako from the Kaneshi Kingsway 1 JHS. And I share if we mean Flimo, Ejaganona, you on a Jelly Fair, J Ghana pet, J West Africa pet, J Africa pet. She Jenko J Fair.
No fair when I appreciate International Conference Center. Ni no crede you want I appreciate Jemenchi. World Book Capital ne Egypt akanshi ni afio ni na ye akanshi ye Ghana ne niji Accra be yourself ni te no fe odromo ni wo Accra niji Ghana Wayekunim ni Isafile Lume Guadalajara din. She knew Wayekunim war After when who energy last 2 years, Kashi last year, Kabashi this year. Guadalajara be fair, Kusum Sroto, activities Sroto. Ne, Afine, no way you couldn't me war. Yeah, I can make a title about warding. Ene honey, Ameshi, Guadalajara, Nimba Enke Mexico. Ne ameba Ghana niji Accra na meke akanshi tight niji YouTube ni mano bahawo ewo Lebanon no he krede pe ni wona ya pe conference center no krede niji title no ihe inde Akuba Hawo yoga. Money pot area has the title ne Jimmy money you imba. Can bank achonche. Kenche me. Keme feni nye you dase ake. Neke title na ke hawo. Or be ake woba waje wo blahi ko blahi. Beke bika before be fe na mekase Nikanemo, Ejake, Nikanemo me, no me wana nili, Kebechomo ye, ni walk about Jimba, ni wo, I can neke title ne Ebahawo. We have received the title, so I'm showing it to my king. Nation in the title learning when I have war do ye and then won't get banning.
Piasuma, Nime, Name, Bonnie will let me know, ye began. Suma, ako chama kelme.
Nime, name, meni nyekwa me.
Me radon.
You, the Obada will lead me or she. Yes. The drumona eba iflu lehu mene ege egbe kanloba. Niji Mr. Samuel Ban Ashi Saki. Thank you very much, the husband of the lady mayor. You. In our share, I get black a shakers, Nimi Mama Lulu. Be Eshabe Ni or Nicola Dika Fenche. About to Jeremonoko. Eshaga, the Director-General of UNESCO. Ejikusu nokle ni kaji mokushaijemo, lemokusaijemo make ni meke na kanjemo ana kanmo. Koni egule eka no ne fio ne chano ne fefe naka. It's an honorary conferment on anyone His Royal Majesty deems fit to acknowledge, to also help them to be able to do even more than what they are doing. So this is an acknowledgement of your great works as the Director-General of UNESCO. So at this juncture, I will give all the opportunity to His Royal Majesty for the conferment. The Director-General is currently being adorned by the Queen Mother's regalia, and it's being done by the Queen Mothers themselves, adorning her with the beautiful regalia of a Ghana Queen Mother. And it is at the behest and by the direction of His Royal Majesty King Tackie Teiko Tsuru. Diane awulalata. Nana ba fi Diane ji. Akele ba damo se here. Eta asidan. Akele ba damo shi. Edamo se here dan. Edamo se here dan. Ewo by ni His Royal Majesty. Echonak ba no. Be he meji baba na mache na kanbe ka gbele agbina keke akeleta isen. Ewo ka digbe kan numo na e o fa na so no. O numo na e ba chi benke ni ba kwa gbe wetu mi. Keke na kanbe the Director-General of UNESCO. UNESCO Queen is going to be adorned with. It signifies goodness, it signifies blessings. Michelle.
Manya mefemia umanye owa waye manye lo mefemia yefo umanye velele esheheni ni gan baje kusun echon ya keke ufope wolegbe mene ni gan fo ko mi ifata manye ma o mene iba wolegbe idana ba wolegbe o ba se ida ta gbe fin na e ga gbe na chegbe eke enye ta isen iwo ba wo le mo na da je no se dan ba chegbe But meno money for le wo be wo niga cheme fende kishine bi awon dan le ake be na kan le ti Naa Adoley Oheyefio ni di ken claim Zemeno wo ba ton le ke egbere no ni wo kula nyanyina no wo ton le Koni enu nyanyina shishi ojuba shi bobani etaseno da meka dumushikechecho bo manyemenyo badu eko badu mabe kukeji the family as a few camera and shots anyway now. Nigga, ma to the flat, my full of cookware or beati. Nimagla, Nanina, me much more. Your Excellency, once again, I congratulate you on behalf of all the chiefs and priests of the Ghana State for you being installed today as Naa Adoley Oheyefio can claim that is the first by His Royal Majesty Tackie Teiko Tsuru II. I would like to explain the purpose of the hyssop around your neck. The hyssop is a jewelry for the Ghana people. The Ghanaians are not religious, we are spiritual, believing that the hyssop is one of the most powerful herb. That is, when we dress in it, it helps in all areas. Make sure we sit and sit well. Ask Mantse and Gamani. The best regalia for you to appear in is the hyssop. This is our jewelry. We do nothing with gold, we do nothing with silver. We can use it on casual dressing, but traditionally, this is the best and the topmost jewelry as described for the Ghana people. So today, we've received you with both hands and told you with hyssop to make you become part of us. Anytime you receive these things, not here in Accra alone, but any other part of the world, you remember you are part of God as God. Thank you and congratulations.
Afunya, about Islam. Thank you very much. Numu Naa Adoley Numu Akwa Mensa you. Behena she Mito Mangwegwe ni Omanye here etesen of you. I want to take just a minute so that our Queen Mother will enjoy her seat for a minute before I call on her to deliver her speech. The woman no ni nkedo amambi ato egbe akashi was so to Mantse you was sat here. It's quite iconic. Ni egblanje moke ba no kono akashi kefe shishije kaji wo han niga microphone, the first things he starts saying is education. And the girl child, the slangy boy, but you can education, girl child. The world money, the World Book Capital has come to Accra. And thankfully, it has been brought into the bosom of His Royal Majesty. He has decided to adorn the UNESCO Director-General with this honors and highest honor that can be done to any foreigner in this land. The Ghana people will say, Obakedi Nekome, were hearable, it means you came with one hand, but we are receiving you with both hands. So at this juncture, enjoy your seat for a while. Kindly permit me now to welcome Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, Diallo, I'm told the linguist of the king, the queen. You were there. Hey, I'm a here. So I think rightfully, the queen is allowed to speak through the linguist. So you then have the opportunity to enjoy your queenship as your linguist speaks on your behalf. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much. With the permission of the Director-General of UNESCO, Naa Adoley the Beautiful, Your Majesty, Name, on behalf of the Director-General of UNESCO, I would like to express our gratitude for this honor that you're giving to all the delegation, and particularly to her, granting her this special title. I would like to thank all the chiefs and the queen mothers for welcoming her to this Durbar. The delegation and her are very humble to have taken part in such a beautiful ceremony, and the delegation can now understand why Ga music, Ga tradition are so renowned over the world. We take the opportunity to thank the Ga Kingdom and through him the mayor for welcoming us in the city of Accra. And Accra, which is a heritage home, which is the host of several World Heritage sites that the Director General had the opportunity to visit earlier in Jamestown alongside Christianborg Castles and James Fort and Usher Fort. So as the guardian of this important heritage, guardian also of a unique, intangible heritage that delegation have been able to witness this afternoon, which demonstrate the vibrancy, the richness of the Ga people. So on behalf of the delegation, on behalf of the Director General, we wish to reiterate our gratitude. We wish to assure you that the cooperation with the Ga state will continue, as it has been reminded earlier. And we wish also to congratulate warmly the city of Accra and all the Ga people for hosting this prestigious and unique program, the Accra World Book Capital. So just to close, on behalf of the Director General of UNESCO, Naa Adoley the Beautiful, and all the delegation here, including the members of the government, the Deputy Minister, Ambassador Amma Bosman, the Mayor of Accra, and all the international guests who join us from Guadalajara, from Europe, and all other places to join us to celebrate this place. On behalf of all of us, we say a warm, a big Oyuadon. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm sure the next time it is the linguist who will be adorning as a linguist in the next day. That was a perfect position.
The Nubians beat the jamba, sound the phantom from, and echo into their ears the importance of reading books and to capture knowledge. For today's strength is not in your shoulders, but in what you have. Gafe Mantse. Ni Tackie Teiko Tsuru II. Oheyefio na agba. Ilé akedo bakalele de mi e ọmọ kotabro he. Oh really? Oh really? Oh really? Akeshi obi aleni. Oh really? Ake aya school. No ene okafu mi. Ene okente mi. Eno kami tuntun ne. Oh, one time make a congiami, one time make a shon, one time make a koi, one time make a farming. Akabawo bobo. No true. No be aleni. It got a wase ko ye ya jinile. Je do fendi atele. Me no ya ma atele. Ake wolo. Ba chombu. Jono. Niga, Nwajo. Ododo diodo, dodo diodo, ododo diodo. Oh, awo menye mwami na wae. Awata menye mwami na wae. A chekwa ywe mwene, ingbeji ni kwadi intre.
Ako chama kanyame. Yeah. Biasuma. Apete chafani. Biasuma. Ochamicho. Okariji. Shuo. Ni adowamano. Ishijirake. Ale. Akeno. Shimu. Temo. Abiasuma. Ishibami. Phobia.
I go ni make na me chele. If a walk fair walk with you. Jackie Mike there.
Hello.
Ago. Yeah, this is better. I want to take this opportunity to welcome all of you here, and it's a great privilege. I first and foremost would like to thank UNESCO, all stakeholders, for declaring the city of Accra World Book Capital for the year 2023. We thank you. Please put your hands together. It means that Accra has joined the prestigious global network of World Book Capital cities. They aim to celebrate and promote literary achievements and cultural heritage, equipping the marginalized groups and especially persons living with disabilities with reading, creative writing, and employable skills is laudable. More importantly are the several projects being undertaken by stakeholders under the Accra World Book Capital Project. Greatest educationists, comedians proposed over 400 years ago that learners should be educated in many languages, starting with the mother tongue. The Gadangbe language, which is the mother tongue of the Gadangbe region, is rarely spoken or taught in schools in Accra today. The invasion of other cultures into this region has practically affected our ethnicity and language as a whole. It is a challenge as a language defines our ethnicity as a people. We ask that the will of the Ministry of Education to insist that the GS ensures that Ga and Dangbe is taught in every school, and that it applies to both the private and public schools in the region. The Ga graduate teachers are not posted into the jurisdiction after completion of the course. Because of that, we have a taught shortage of Ga graduate teachers. We appeal to the Ministry of Education. I know that you're doing a lot, but we appeal to them that Ga graduate teachers are posted within the jurisdiction so that they will be able to teach the Ga language in our schools. We believe that UNESCO World Book Capital Project would want to promote the book industry, publications, and use of books in Ghanaian languages, especially Ga and Dangbe. As a result, the Mantse Foundation would like to partner stakeholders through the projects on how to build a firm foundation to strengthen our language and our ethnicity.
Yeah, Piasuma,
Kindly put your hands together once again. The king has spoken. Benishe Maji kumachwake drumona lebine bonini wakpa negeno petenklene hebune ye International Conference Center make lejimoni ewe kenkle ne ke fla mefe ke Greater Accra do drumona eba shewode ken ni yue mo kubedon chine ni de chede megba keshi ni amlalo ehi enyelo Greater Accra eba she ewo eno de bako Koni Mambi Efi Ayosi Ageshi Yewosatia. Ladies and gentlemen, the Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable